Make a great choice today with the 2017
Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, cargo net, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, premium cloth low-back bucket seats, premium sound group, security alarm, Sirius XM travel link. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.